Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the home screen folder grid size on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. Adjusting the folder grid allows you to control how many apps appear inside a folder, helping you organize your home screen more efficiently and keep everything neat and easy to access. Open the settings page. The Settings app is where you can manage most of your device features, including display settings, home screen customization, privacy controls, and installed applications. Next, scroll down to see the home screen option and tap on it to open the home screen settings page. This section contains several customization options that allow you to adjust how your home screen looks and behaves. Now scroll again and see the folder grid option. Tap on it to open the folder grid settings. Here, you will see different layout options such as 3x3 or 4x4. These numbers represent how many apps can appear inside a folder on your home screen. Now select the grid size you set them and the change will be applied instantly. Choosing a larger grid allows more apps inside a folder, while a smaller grid makes the icons larger and easier to see. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who might find it useful, and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech guides.